All right, so what we have here is my 2006 Lexus GX470. I went to turn it on the other day and got the dreaded shop vac sound or vacuum sound and a check engine light or maintenance required light. And turns out it was the secondary air injection pump code, which is quite common with these. So after some quick searching, found that it could be a very costly repair, which I was not looking forward to. After some more extensive searching, I found that there is a bypass that you can get. There's basically two options, two companies that make them. I just decided to go with the Rutech, I don't know, Rutech, however you pronounce it. That option, it was cheaper. Seemed to be better for me. Basically it comes with the wire harness and these little blocker plates, which I'm just going to do the wire harness today, because with my specific code P2445, the injection pump was stuck off, so I don't think I need to put the plates on immediately, but I will eventually. So the purpose of this video is to show how quick and easy it is to fix this issue with the bypass. So let me go ahead and start it up. We'll hear the sound and then install the bypass and start it up again and see if it worked. Sound. So let's go ahead and change this out. Should be good. Fix that later. See if that worked. All right. No sound. We do have, well, maintenance just turned off. I'll probably have to go in there and clear the code anyway. And it should be good. That's it. That's the fix. Other than the plates. So as I mentioned earlier, there were two options. One was from Rutech, Rutech, whichever one it is, I'm not sure. And the other one was Hewitt Industries, I believe it was. The main difference is Hewitt Industries has another wire coming off of here that you put onto the relay switch in the fuse box, I believe. And that allows you to basically turn the car on in any scenario and it won't trigger the secondary pump to turn on. With this one, since it doesn't have that, basically you can't turn the ignition to on. I don't know what the given amount of time is, but you can't turn the ignition to on and then start the car, because then it by default kicks on that secondary air pump. So I figured $100 cheaper, probably not going to do that too often. So I decided to go with the Rutech. Sorry if I'm butchering it. But yeah, that's it. Just got to install the plates, which I believe is right back here somewhere on this side. I don't know which side's more difficult, but back there somewhere. We'll take care of it. All right, thanks for watching.